Akwaba and found Ragan and Sem TVGH so what friend me Ajua searching.
Oh, remember me, Abranti ya NDC for born a party dimping for Okrum and Natamu.
Why,
Kelvin Taylor. A court to cry. A day contempt attorney,
yes,
patchino,
yes,
a day arrest warrant attorney.
So Bagana,
Waba, national security for Enna Adina Bamba, Abba, about Aquacose, the official residence of the vice president.
Hey,
baby, President Mahama, Etna, when he was vice president and even president, and he baby, vice president to be about Betsna, you know, and they, the current vice president, Her Excellency. Or no, say in the private residence. And open.
Yeah.
And it's only vacant. A whole no margin at
Is this information that you are privy
to?
And
I will give you the full information. We'll come to that.
Really?
But, yes. But I want. Oh no! If you want us to deal with it, let's zoom in. No, but deal with it.
But it's a serious matter, and coming from you as a ranking on.
Oh yes, you see, and it is terrible in this country. Say, Aban Biaba, not a whole chief justice, no. What washan so say all pamono without basis. Nemono ogun anymore say apam chief justice. I say the judiciary. Nasa buying ankasa edi national security architecture. Ebebo obia wakasetia judiciary no. Wakasetia arrest warrant. Edane so no. Na national security for ebebo say ni pane ho ban no. A indictment on the government. A serious indictment. Because between Justice Gertrude Arabasaki Tokunu and the Kelvin Taylor, why and the Senke Bonnie Hobby? Between Justice Araba Tokunu and NDC for Trina Bosu Gun and Mase to spite the judiciary, no, and the Kelvin Taylor, what did you tune for them? What did he a soft womping for Ghana hanging at them? What did he him for them? A didn't penny for beer a demo Ghana. What did you want them because Obi and it don't be eternity and boldy, no, even to the extent to say, or Casa de Tia judiciary, judiciary court, no, a issue arrest warrant to say, you find arrest, no, Emra may appear before the matchroom why he should not be in prison, you know, and a free one, old Johnny, so Ghana beer. National security and a bonny home Obedru Ghana or the United Airlines and a bedru ye and Rechi Obedru ye no the flight. I have all the details. I will not even want to give the nitty-gritty details. The seats are or so we know Obedru Airport National Security for and a coffin no free tarmac and so and then they found VVIP gate 19 VVIP so former president to be too kind or bar nefa VVVIP gate 19 top diplomats and yedi omofa. That was a diplomatic courtesy and this year buying national security at the man and then they kofa ho omofa ni wi yen so a omo de ne koto the residence official residence umemu ha vice president and the tinemu and see a day and a bay orchard. If you glorify some of these things, I will not mess me also. Memphis West being described. You are emboldening the young people say to be rewarded in this country. You're ready say ubedi dimpeni fuatem. You're crowd say ubedi chantro atu whether or a judge, whether or a hine, whether or a sofo, whether or a politician, whether or a businessman. Trantroto so gunanimas did not attempt because some court to crown a court to be empa. A bino a bebo buying. Ewa manoniu, Sir Ghana, even baby, I obey that crown. You better elevate to presidential status.
Okay, Reverend.
You know that it is terrible, and we must be sad in this country.
Jampo Disney and Abato and Jampo Disney. He has been an MPP sympathizer for a long time.
Yeah, exactly.
They never invited him to anywhere meaningful, not even an ordinary phone call. Jampo about you not say white. Oh, you need. Oh, the Fabi at the Bechana, young chairman of compensation, somebody and his winner, and this man of quite Shepherd's Council, chief executive officer. I don't know exactly what he's doing there, but he's there. Now, buma no busa. Now, and obi tumika say, kwasi said ya musi mu journalism mu honesty mu kuntumika no kra ha mu kanu and this phone wa me wan ko ma Florida do MPP. MPP.
Jeffro.
No one ever. Oh, there's all the old MC. Man, I'm not going to have them. What I say, and Omunia one more constituents, MPs no Muluso Mulisin down. The party must not let them come back into the party in any meaningful way. Joe Wise one Lusu on one head a sea from. Ochemen Sabonzu Lusu on one head a sea from. Whatever Ochemen Sabonzu has done, it can be forgiven because the man is useful. Maybe former MP. Olusu Iputo. What the name Bems or your former and Toma to be, oh dear. What 20 years, I'm on a partner coffee. Because 20 years, no, I mean, I'm not being mean, no. I'm being very frankly honest and bitter to you. Say it was a waste of time, all the 20 years. Not even one single human being that I cry we recruit. Now I cry, yeah, the NTM man so mono quakra, and I don't takra in Jubilee Fields. Never. Did you come for no? I open the phone lines and let them call. I don't know what he did with them. Nobody knows. Not a giant, do so mumpo. Constituency court. Oh, local government for court to no baby. And for make come a constituency. See to go to in all these 20 years, Kwame. Secondary school, there are still many challenges at the secondary school. When I was living there was no electricity.
So why I'm not too man.
Oh, I don't look stupid because I wasn't part of them. And I don't crack home in your problems with my own people. Because what this is a waste of time and resources. Now they're fun to change. But I will say, I dare he was in parliament for about 24 years. Catch me say, I dare could be war memoir, say a policy, say yeah. Law, say yeah, draft.
The constituency.
I don't know. Say you can come member.
Oh, they said they all can't get MPB anyhow.
Ubenyabi, some George the LGBT by and knowing something to work up. So about parliament. Oh, can witchcraft for
MPB for
millions for the Trompo and I am more. What I say, so suba parliament dabei. When you am a witchcraft bill, you pass money. Maintain that. But if you go to Asin Central and I said be Asin Master, you don't go from Asin Central.
No.
The personal businesses I'm not talking about that.
I'm not talking about that. I know people are in terms of employment, in terms of butcher call, in terms of human resource development, in terms of post now or one trouble or street lights. In terms of development there, Mango, and interest.
Could you catch them and Rushafu?
If you do.
Or you pen and paper man, could you say, go for a pass or Rushafu, or maybe a pass or Rushafu, call list. Could you hear boy, you did you dear Nakona? Oh, I heard up and probably a mobile one some bit yasm, you know, Matrasiaka. We say, I know women are sorry, say, Baby to good. Who took you as a good year, my baby numbers when you have Baby to know. Eugene Zedian or the backup partner, Mustafa Hamid, and Jan Yuku for I think the OSP are quite 280 million. Nagana is brought by money laundering and fraud. MP, I can no launder money at MPA.